Hello student. Today we have to learn internet services. These services can be used our web browser. Internet services allows us to access huge amount of information such as text, images, graphics, sounds and other application or software over the internet. Internet service has a four types. First is communication service, second is information travel service, then web services, and last www means world wide web. In communication service we have to communicate between one to many person in simultaneously. In information travel service it is a many to many or one to many services. In web services we have to like Google, Flipkart, Facebook as a services where to commercial, business or personal. www services can be used most widely used internet services. In how to work web server, it is a response to client request the other two ways. First, sending the file client associated with the requested URL. URL means universal resource locator, which can be used the address of website. Second thing, generating response by invoking a script and communicating with database. This database can be stored in server. The working of web server is a diagram shows the static store data mean database, how to create or save data and application data store. These services can be used our working. In this case, web client has request through HTTP in web server and is request to static data request in data store server. This store can be response to using our servlet request or response session. This application server can be contain web container or other services. It can be connected application data store. The working of clients to server is used to HTTP or application server between request or response objects. The key points of this server is when the client sends request for a web page, the web server searches for the request page. If request page is found, then it will be send client to HTTP response means the our visit page. In the requested web page is not found, then web server will found send response error 404 not found. It is a standard error declaration by HTTP client. The client has request some other resource, then the server will contact to application server and data store conduct the HTTP response. This response depend upon our request. The number of search engines in our web server. Firstly, mostly use Google, Bing, Ask, AltaVista, AOL Search, Alexa, Bindu, and X. The Google search can be originally called by Backrub. It is the most popular search engine. Like this, other search engines as the most popular for various companies like Microsoft's company, Yahoo's company, then Amazon's, like etc. Why people use search engine is the most we can use. Why use the search engine? Firstly, research purpose, shopping purpose and entertainment purpose. In the case of www, the firstly it can be whole and soul developed by physics laboratory European countries like as high energy physics communicated in 1989. In 1991, WWW project began to take shape of the world. In case of WWW, growth of 1992, 1993 and 1994. The 1994 web project as a group called W3 organization and start the www means World Wide Web. URL. It is the Uniform Resource Locator, and the reference address is the nickname of URL. Reference address means your website address. This can be contains like above syntax. In case of HTTP, it is called protocol colon forward slash domain name, subdomain name, computer domain name with suffix. Suffix is a compulsory like as a .com, .in, .co, then directories, and lastly web page. Web page has been saved .html, .htm, .asp, .php, .net like as. The HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol and is what enables browser to known protocol. It going to use access the information specified the domain. After the HTTP is the colon and two forward slashes that separate the protocol from the remainder of the URL. What characters are not allowed in URL? Most people realize that space is not allowed to URL. However, it is important to realize like as also it can only containing this above symbols. The URL must be encoded. It has a highlight of your URL. List of various URL prefix like as HTTP, FTP, news, telnet, gopher, viz, malto, file. Main use of this prefix is the file available in the server is a directory or subdirectory of the how to download our machine. Thank you.